quiet countryside road. The sun is setting, the windows are open, and the breeze is flowing through your compact little camper van. From the outside, it looks simple, almost modest, but the moment you step inside, it's a completely different world. 4 beds, a fully equipped bathroom, a cozy lounge, and enough luxury to make you forget you're even traveling in a van. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're stepping inside the Challenger V114 Max, and trust me, you won't believe how much this compact campervan manages to hide inside its walls. Stick around, because by the end of this tour, you'll be asking yourself if you really need a huge motorhome when something this small can give you all the comfort you could ever want. Let's start on the outside. At first glance, the Challenger V114 Max looks like your typical panel van, compact, neat, and incredibly easy to handle on the road. It doesn't scream for attention with over-the-top design, but that's exactly where its charm lies. Sleek lines, large tinted windows, and a modern body shape make it feel both practical and stylish. This is the kind of van you can take into a busy city without worrying about parking, but it's also tough enough to handle long cross-country journeys. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it actually helps with fuel efficiency and stability on the road. On the side, you'll find a wide sliding door that opens up into the living area. There's even a retractable awning that creates an instant outdoor lounge space, perfect for summer evenings or family picnics on the road. And just like bigger motorhomes, it comes with multiple storage compartments neatly tucked away so you don't lose practicality while chasing luxury. Now, let's step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you notice is the sense of space. Remember, this is a compact van, yet it doesn't feel cramped. That's thanks to clever design, high ceilings, and bright lighting that opens up the entire layout. At the front, the captain chairs swivel around to face the main living area. This instantly transforms the space into a little lounge. Imagine sitting here with your family after a long drive, sharing dinner at the fold-out dining table, or just enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. And then comes the first surprise, the beds. Yes, not 1, not 2, but 4 full sleeping spaces packed inside this compact frame. The Challenger V114 Max is designed with families and groups in mind. You've got a fixed double bed in the back, plus 2 clever bunk beds that fold down without eating into the living space. Each bed feels private and surprisingly comfortable, with proper mattresses and windows nearby for ventilation. And just when you think that's impressive enough, here's the game changer: a fully equipped bathroom. Inside, you'll find a shower, a toilet, and even a sink, all in a neatly compact space. It's designed smartly with fold-away elements, so you're not losing living room to fit in bathroom luxury. For many campervan lovers, having a private bathroom is a non-negotiable, and this van proves you don't need a giant motorhome to have one. Of course, no campervan would be complete without a kitchen, and the V114 Max doesn't disappoint. You get a 2-burner stove, a sink with running water, a decent-sized fridge, and plenty of storage cabinets for food and utensils. Everything is within reach, but nothing feels squeezed. And finally, the details: overhead storage lockers, ambient LED lighting, USB charging ports by the beds, and windows that let in plenty of natural light. Every corner feels thought out, not just for function, but for comfort too. But this van isn't only about living inside, it's also about the driving experience. Under the hood, the Challenger V114 Max comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. What does that mean? It means smoother rides, better fuel efficiency, and less stress behind the wheel. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the drive feels effortless. Modern safety features are included as well: ABS, hill start assist, lane keeping support, all the things you'd expect from a premium vehicle. Inside the cab, you'll find a comfortable driver's cockpit with an infotainment system, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity, making long drives much more enjoyable. And let's not forget about climate comfort. The van comes with integrated heating and air conditioning, plus excellent insulation to keep you cozy in winter and cool in summer. Add in touches like quality upholstery, dimmable lighting, and soft close storage, and suddenly, this small camper feels more like a rolling luxury apartment. Now you might be wondering what makes this camper van so special compared to others. Well, the biggest highlight is obvious: space. Very few compact vans can offer 4 real beds plus a bathroom without feeling cramped. Most competitors force you to choose either you get more beds or you get a bathroom, but rarely both. The Challenger V114 Max gives you both, without compromise. It's the kind of camper that's perfect for a family of 4 or even a group of friends. And yet, it's still small enough to drive through narrow streets or fit into a standard parking space. That balance between compact size and big comfort is what really makes this van stand out in today's crowded market. But here's a question for you: which feature surprised you more? The fact that this compact van somehow hides 4 beds, or the fact that it has a real bathroom inside? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see what you think. So, here's the bottom line. The Challenger V114 Max proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to live comfortably on the road. It gives you freedom, it gives you flexibility, and it does it all in a size that's easy to drive every single day. It's not just a camper van, it's a lifestyle choice. Imagine the road trips you could take, the places you could explore, and the memories you could create with family and friends. For many, this little van could be the gateway to big adventures. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more compact campers and luxury motorhomes, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.